Hello there everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart to replace the LCD and glass screen assembly on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to want to do is make sure your phone is powered off. If not powered off, then let's go ahead and remove the SIM card and SD card tray up at the top. With that out of the way, now next step, we're going to have to heat up the back of the phone. So we're going to either heat it up with a hairdryer or a heat gun. Always move it around consistently, never stay in one spot so that you don't burn the inside of the phone. Or you can also set it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use, and I set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for a few minutes until it's hot enough. So once it's hot enough, we're going to want to put some rubber gloves on so that we don't burn our hands. We're going to be using a couple different tools, a suction cup, a couple prying tools. You may also use a business card if you don't have a prying tool. So keep in mind, we are going to have links down below in the description for all the parts and tools used in this repair. So once the phone is hot enough, you're going to place the suction cup towards the bottom of the phone here until you see a slight opening. Once you see a slight opening, we're going to pry in there with a prying tool and squeeze it in there. Move around from side to side with the prying tool to remove the adhesive holding the glass to the back housing of the phone. So continue to move around. Be very careful on the corners. If the phone cools down, make sure to heat it up a little bit more. Remember, the heat is great for softening the adhesive that holds the glass to the phone. You can use a business card, fold it in half, and it creates a nice solid prying tool as well. So let's go ahead and grab the phone, and we're going to go down on both sides with the prying tool. You may use the help of other prying tools as well to hold it open. Continue to go down all of the sides of the phone until all of the adhesive holding down the back cover is completely removed. Then once you're ready, go ahead and pull up on the back cover gently and be very careful because there is going to be the fingerprint scanner flex cable connected. Let's go ahead and disconnect that. Once disconnected, you're safe to remove the back cover off completely. Next step, we're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove all of the Phillips head screws holding the back frame of the phone to the housing. Once all of these screws are removed, we're going to go ahead and pry in between the wireless charger pad here with the prying tool to remove the adhesive holding it down, and then we're going to pry up on the plastic bezel to release the back housing of the phone. Let's disconnect the battery to remove any electricity from flowing through the phone, and afterwards let's disconnect the LCD and digitizer cable, which is this one right here. If all you need to do is replace your LCD and glass screen assembly, after disconnecting this cable, you can go ahead and do that. We can go ahead and heat up the front of the screen here. We're going to need to give it heat once again with hairdryer heat gun or set it on the hot plate. And then you're just going to begin to pry up on the LCD screen and glass with the prying tool like this and completely remove it. And then you're just going to place the new LCD and glass screen assembly and fit the flex cable in through the small opening here on the side. If you need to replace any other parts, we're going to go ahead and disconnect all of the flex cables and antennas in order to completely take apart the phone. So down here we're going to have two small antennas connected to the charger port. Let's remove these, move them out of the way, and we're going to have one small Phillips head screw right above the battery up here, which we're going to need to remove in order to lift up on the motherboard. Once you have that out of the way, we can go ahead and lift up gently on the motherboard and it will lift up completely. And then we're going to go ahead and give it some pressure down here on the bottom charger port flex cable. Just push it downwards gently and it will disconnect from the motherboard. Move that out of the way. So now we're going to need to remove all of these small Phillips head screws here holding down the charger port. Once all of these screws are out of the way, we're going to begin to pry up on the flex cables here for the motherboard. Gently pull them up. They're going to be held down with just a little bit of adhesive, and it's going to have a small antenna here on the side as well connected to the charger port. With the screwdriver, you can pull up on the headphone jack. It will come out pretty easily. And then continue to pry up, removing the adhesive that's holding down the charger port. And it comes off very simple. Next up, we're going to begin to pry up on the battery. You can stick a prying tool down here and lift up on it, and it will come off very easily. And that's the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus completely taken apart. And now all you have to do is put everything back together in reverse order. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to take apart to replace the LCD and glass screen assembly on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.